Welcome back to Senior Prius. Does your car sound more like a truck when you throw it in reverse? That incessant beeping can get on your nerves, right? Well, you're in luck. Today I'm going to show you a quick and simple trick to turn off that annoying reverse beep on your second generation Prius. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's get your display to show the audio reading. You'll want to press the audio trip button until you see audio displayed, not trip A or trip B. Now, with your foot firmly on the brake, press the power button to turn on the car. Immediately after, press and hold the audio button. It's time for a quick countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep holding the audio button, shift your Prius into reverse, then quickly into park. Look at that. You should now see the words "Be On" displayed on your dashboard, indicating the beep is currently on. Simply press the audio trip button again to toggle between on and off. Choose off to silence that beep for good. Alright, it's the moment of truth. Let's turn off the car, start the engine again, and see if our little magic trick worked. Wow! Works like a charm. No more beeping. You've successfully disabled the reverse beep on your Prius Gen 2. And just like that, you've reclaimed a bit of peace and quiet. Driving a Prius has never been more pleasant. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Safe driving, everyone.